Good morning, all of you. Today, I, Chavi Gupta, welcome you all in this session. I hope you all are safe and watching the videos regularly. And class 8, please try to be regular in coming to the school. Now, it's time to do our new chapter, that is reproduction in animals. As you all know that we look similar to our parents, either our father or our mother. That process is known as reproduction, as it involves the carrying away of the characters from our parents to our cells, that means from one generation to another. So the process is known as reproduction. It is the process of giving rise to an offspring, means from parent to generation we are giving rise to a new generation. So reproduction is essential for the continuation of a species. Now what does this point means? If reproduction does not take place, a new generation will not come out and ultimately the species will become extinct. So therefore it is a very important phenomena for the plants or animals to reproduce. So we have to, so it is necessary for the continuation of species. Species is basically prajati. What you say is a variety of animals and plants. Okay, so in class 7th you must have studied about reproduction methods. That is, we have two types of reproduction, that is sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Now what is a asexual reproduction? The type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. ऐसा reproduction जिसमें single parent हो. As a child you know that you have two parents, that is one is mother and one is father. But in asexual reproduction we have only a mother one, okay, or either a father. So basically we have only a single parent. It is known as asexual reproduction. So here we don't have no mixing of genetic information, means यहाँ पे करेक्टरिस्टिक्स इंटरमिक्स नहीं होते. लाइक हम ये नहीं कहते यहाँ पे कि हमारा आई स्ट्रक्चर या हमारी नोज़ हमारे मदर से मिलती है एंड हमारी लिप्स या फिर हमारे ईयर्स या हमारे हेयर्स हमारे फादर से मिलते हैं. यहाँ पे जो भी कुछ होगा वो सिर्फ एक सिंगल पेरेंट से एग्जैक्टली सेम होगा. देयरफॉर इट सेज देयर इज़ नो मिक्सिंग ऑफ जेनेटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल बर्ड्स इन हाइड्रा. सो वो तो एग्जाम्पल हो गया, बट बिफोर दैट वी शुड नो व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ asexual reproduction. We have different types of asexual reproduction, that is fission, fragmentation, budding, vegetative propagation, regeneration and spore formation. But in this video or in this class 8 you have only two types of asexual reproduction, that is binary fission and budding, and the rest you have done in your class 7th. So we will just do binary fission or the fission one and the budding in this video. Now what is a binary fission? As the word fission says, fission means splitting of the organism into two, means कि एक organism दो में divide हो रहा है. Now why two? Because the word binary means two, so means a single organism is divided into two is known as binary fission. It is a type of asexual reproduction in which a single celled organism divides into two. So basically the division of nucleus is followed by division of other cell organelles in the cytoplasm. Class, to understand this binary fission we will see a diagram. The diagram over here is basically of amoeba. So we can see binary fission in amoeba. This is our main cell. The main cell is known as parent amoeba. Okay, when this parent amoeba wants to divide, it elongates its nucleus. You can see this is a nucleus one which is being elongating out, means expand कर रहा है, and cell body अंदर की तरफ constrict कर रही है, अंदर की तरफ move कर रही है. Okay, so what happens next is जब ये expand कर जाएगा तो nucleus अलग अलग divide हो जाएगा. One nucleus and the second nucleus, and the next part is कि यहाँ पे constrictions आएंगी and one daughter इधर form हो जाएगी and second daughter इधर form हो जाएगी. So you can see कि we have only one parent and it is dividing into two. It is divided into two. One is here and the second one is here. So this is known as binary fission in amoeba. Parent amoeba, first it elongates the nucleus and then division of the nucleus and the cytoplasm, and then two rotor cells are formed. This is binary fission in amoeba. So The division of second point class, division of nucleus is followed by division of other cell organelles in the cytoplasm and finally the cytoplasm. Thus, two cells are produced from one parent cell. Example, amoeba. Amoeba reproduced by binary fission, which is dividing into two cells. If one parent cell give rise to many daughter cells. अब यहाँ पे सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है कि अगर एक ही पेरेंट सेल बहुत सारे डॉटर सेल्स को गिव राइज करे दैट इज नोन एज मल्टीपल फिजन. ओके, कॉन्सेप्ट वही रहेगा कि पहले जैसे 1 से 2 बने, 2 से 4, 4 से 8, तो दैट विल फॉर्म अ मल्टीपल फिजन प्रोसेस. ओके, so I hope the binary fission is clear to you. Now we will do the next method, that is budding. What is a bud? Bud is basically an outgrowth, that is parent body के ऊपर एक extra outgrowth आ रही है, that is known as bud. So you can see in this diagram, we will understand the budding in yeast. This is a parent yeast. Now you can see this is actual parent yeast. Now on the surface we can see a small outgrowth, and this small outgrowth it is known as a bud. Okay, now this bud will get all the nucleus content and it developed fully. Develop हो गया. अब now this is a new yeast cell. This one is a new yeast cell जो bud से grow कर रहा है. Okay, now here we have a two properties, like this bud can divide from the parent cell and it will form one bud over here and the second one over here. So that means we got two over here. But it can be possible कि ये parent cell से के साथ रहे. Now if it remains with the parent cell, this is a structure, parent cell के साथ रहेगा. Again ये तो first bud form हुआ ही था, इस बड के ऊपर एक और बड फॉर्म हो गया, देन इस बड के ऊपर एक और बड फॉर्म हो गया, तो चेन ऑफ ईस्ट सेल्स फॉर्म हो गया. सो दिस इज नोन एज बडिंग इन yeast. And the second one we have bud in hydra. The same we have a bud in hydra. A bud you can see it will grow into a new hydra. It can detach or it can remain to the parent cell. Okay, now see the description. As this bud grows it becomes a new individual organism. In some organism the buds remain attached to the parent body. Example, yeast. In some organism it detached from the parent body and develop into a complete mature individual. See, yeast में डिटैच हो भी सकता और नहीं भी. सेम वे हाइड्रा में वो डिटैच होगा भी और नहीं भी. अगर हो गया तो बहुत बढ़िया, नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ, बट जनरली हाइड्रा के अंदर वो डिटैच हो जाता है. So this type of reproduction is called as budding. So what we have studied in this video is what is reproduction, what are the types of reproduction, asexual reproduction, budding and binary fission. I hope this video is clear to you, and if you have any doubts you can contact me. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.